These are the moldings that go over the canvas on the end of the roof. The half-round piece of ash molding, which we specially made. It was made with a router, which with two cuts, a quarter-round cut this side, turn around, cut the other. You can see the little joint which will be sanded off eventually where the two cuts came. It's made of ash, as the original was on number 100, and it's straight, as you can see here. What we're going to do with this straight piece is the same thing we just did this morning with this curved piece. We put it in a plastic pipe which we filled from our pressure washer with hot water, and for about 20 minutes essentially boiled the wood, and then we came in here, and there were three of us, started in the middle. This piece held it down, keep it from twisting, and we just pulled it right around, and now it's going to remain on this bending form for approximately 24 hours. When we take it off, it will straighten out a little bit, hopefully not so much that we can't pull it back down, and it will go on the end of the roof. I guess that's enough on that. You're looking at the end of the roof. The strings hanging down are part of the canvas, the roof canvas. It's been painted to, and we're going to put about a 1-inch molding over the end of that, and then we will trim it off. Now, when we got the locomotive here at Seashore, as far as I know, that molding was gone, or it may have disappeared after it got here. When we were working on the roof, repairing the actual boards, we discovered that pounded into the end of the wood, this way, the roof sheathing, were nails that were about 2 inches long, and they had no apparent purpose. And what I discovered by looking at pictures of the car when it was running, that there was this half-round molding all the way around the canvas, which had been held on by these nails, and we never would have thought about that if we hadn't found those nails that had no useful purpose. And it's amazing. I was thinking about it this morning, how Sherlock Holmes would, just with one little tiny thing, would evolve a whole thing, and that's happened any number of times on this car, where we find a very little thing and it blows up, you might say, into something rather large. Molding goes all the way around the car. The straight part was fairly easy to put on, and that's done, but then the end parts will have to come after that.